Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best smartwatch is probably one of the most versatile gadgets you can add to your daily routine, seamlessly blending fitness tracking, communication, and convenience right on your wrist, making it an indispensable tool for staying connected and monitoring your health goals with unparalleled ease and style. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Wooden Food Group's Play Set. Introduce healthy eating habits with this sturdy wooden food set. It features items from all 5 food groups for fun and nutritious pretend play. This play food set helps children learn about nutrition and planning balanced meals. It's also great for teaching early number skills, color recognition, and sorting. 4 wooden crates are included to help sort the food by group or color. They can also be used to create pretend meals. This play food set makes a wonderful gift for children aged 3 to 6. It's a perfect addition to any play kitchen. For over 30 years, we've been creating beautifully designed products that spark imagination and creativity. We are proud to be called the gold standard in early childhood play. We design every toy to the highest quality standards to nurture young minds and hearts. If your child isn't inspired, we'll make it right. What we like. If you're looking for a fun and educational way to introduce your child to healthy eating, this is it. It helps children plan balanced meals and learn about nutrition. If you want to spark imaginative play while teaching valuable life skills, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The set includes a wide variety of items, meat, fish, dairy products, and vegetables, so it's perfect for imaginative play and learning about food. Everything is well made, sturdy, and looks nice. The quality is very good, with smooth surfaces and pleasant colors. The wooden boxes make play more realistic and also help with storage and organization. Number 4. Creative Green Life Reusable Grocery Bags, 3-pack. Tired of flimsy bags that collapse? Our innovative design stands up and stays open, making loading and unloading a breeze. The long handles offer comfortable carrying, even over your shoulder. Imagine carrying the equivalent of 10 single-use bags in just 3 hours. These extra-large totes are perfect for family shopping trips and bulky items, helping you reduce waste. Crafted from durable, top-quality materials, these bags are designed to last. They maintain their sturdy, box-like shape even when fully loaded, ensuring reliable use trip after trip. Keep your groceries perfectly in place during the drive home. The smart, spill-proof design prevents items from rolling around, protecting everything from delicate produce to bread. Keeping them clean is as simple as a quick wipe with a damp cloth. When not in use, they fold flat like a notebook for convenient storage in your car or kitchen. What we like. If you hate bags that collapse when you're trying to load them, you'll love these. They stand up on their own, making packing groceries a breeze. If you need to carry a lot and want a sturdy, easy-to-use solution, these are for you. What people say. They hold a lot, they can handle all the weight I've ever wanted to tote around in a bag. These bags are well made and sturdy with plenty of room for grocery items. They fold flat and open very easily with a flop-down bottom. These bags are super strong. That firm bottom flap folds down to create an incredibly strong bottom. And it is so easy to pack because it forms a firm and large sturdy rectangle. Number 3. Ekouaer Women's Short Sleeve Pajama Set. Introducing the Ekouaer Women's Pajama Set, designed for ultimate comfort and style. Perfect for lounging or sleeping, it's a must-have addition to your loungewear collection. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, this sleepwear set ensures you stay cool and comfortable all night long. Its lightweight feel makes it ideal for any season. Featuring a classic button-up top and capri pants, this set offers a timeless look. The convenient buttons make it easy to wear and adjust for a perfect fit. Never worry about where to put your essentials again. This pajama set comes with practical pockets on the top, keeping your phone or small items close at hand. Whether you're relaxing on the couch or enjoying a lazy morning, this sleepwear provides the perfect blend of comfort and fashion. It's ideal for all your downtime activities. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This pajama set is a wonderful choice for birthdays, holidays, or just to show someone you care. Give the gift of comfort and style. What we like. If you're searching for ultimate comfort for lounging or sleeping, look no further. The soft fabric and relaxed fit are perfect for unwinding. If you value comfort and practicality in your sleepwear, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and can hold a lot of groceries. It folds up easily for storage and is lightweight to carry. The wheels roll smoothly on different surfaces, making it easy to maneuver. Number 2. SereneLife Folding Utility Cart, Red. This cart is built with a high-quality steel frame and durable fabric, making it perfect for groceries, laundry, or luggage. Enjoy the convenience of a foldable cart with wheels. Its 360-degree swivel wheels offer exceptional maneuverability on various terrains. The comfortable foam-covered handle makes every trip effortless. With its large capacity and secure pockets, it keeps your items organized and safe. The foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use. It has a high weight capacity of up to 110 pounds and features large wheels for smooth rolling. Its compact design makes it easy to store. Assembly is quick and tool-free. The detachable liner is easy to clean, and its stable design prevents tipping. What we like. If you need a heavy-duty companion for all your errands, this is it. Its swivel wheels make navigating any terrain easy, and it holds a lot. If you frequently haul groceries, laundry, or luggage and want a reliable, easy-to-maneuver cart, this one is a winner. What people say. It's extremely sturdy and can handle a good amount of weight without any issues. I like how sturdy the handle is and that it has a padded grip. The swivel wheels make it easy to maneuver in tight and crowded spaces. They roll smoothly no matter what kind of surface you're on. The cart handles all that weight like a champ. With its sturdy, strong wheels it rolls along smoothly and maneuvers through tight corridors hallways easily. Number 1. Wellmax WM99100 Series Folding Shopping Cart. This cart is thoughtfully engineered to support a maximum weight of 120 pounds. With a generous 24-gallon storage capacity, it's your reliable solution for transporting and storing a wide range of items. This utility cart is ingeniously foldable, much like an umbrella, allowing for effortless storage and space conservation. Its user-friendly handle design makes carrying and maneuvering it a breeze. It features front wheels with a 360-degree swivel capability, ensuring effortless turns and exceptional ease of movement, even in narrow spaces. It is also designed to handle uneven terrain, making it reliable for outdoor use. The detachable bag is a snap to remove for your convenience and portability. It's specially designed to ensure privacy and prevent small items from slipping out, setting it apart from conventional carts. Additionally, the canvas bag is machine washable in cold water, making it easy to keep clean and fresh after repeated use. Say goodbye to complicated assembly. Just click on the front wheels, and you're ready to roll. No tools are needed for setup. It features a rear grid design that allows you to conveniently stash small personal items like wallets, jackets, and umbrellas. Enjoy easy access and secure storage right at your fingertips. What we like. If you need a robust cart that can handle substantial weight and offers great versatility, consider this option. The removable bag and privacy cover add significant convenience. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-assemble, and portable cart for heavy-duty use, this is an excellent pick. What people say. This new one not only helps bringing the groceries up to my apartment, taking laundry, and taking my recycling to the room in my building, but also now that my balance is kind of shaky, this cart is sturdy enough to help me walk and not been afraid of falling. The wheels move easy, over door and elevator entry. It's light, it collapses easily, like an umbrella stroller. It's so balanced that I can get 6 bags of groceries plus plastic grocery bags on the handle. Doesn't tip. Very sturdy, wheels move freely. I live on the 5th floor and it makes unloading from the garage to the elevator a breeze. Folds easily and fits in the trunk or closet. It can handle heavy Costco loads too. Good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.